reset home screen layout to default on Android. So, if your home screen layout on your Android device is also unorganized and you want to proceed it, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to go to the settings on your Android device. Once you open the settings page, you have to scroll down and select apps. Then select app management option. On this section, you will see a lot of applications available on your device. Just you have to tap on the search bar and search for launcher. Here you will find the option of system launcher, so select it. Once you get access to the app interface of system launcher, you have to scroll down and select the storage users, where you can see clear data and clear cache option. Simply you need to clear data and clear cache of system launcher. Once you do it, your home screen layout will be reset to default on your Android device. So let's do it. So once you have done that, you need to wait for a while until the changes are made on your Android device. So as you can see that our home screen layout has already been reset to default on our Android device.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.